procedural text is a text that explains how to make or do something. This text consists of things and has an imperative sentence structure in the form of command. The purpose of a procedural text is to provide instruction on how to perform a task using the desired materials and method. For example, how to cook chicken soup, how to turn on a vacuum cleaner, and so on.
Structure of procedural text. Remember, the purpose of a procedural text is to provide sequential and detailed information. Therefore, there are four structures that should not be forgotten, namely, number 1, purpose. First, the purpose structure. The purpose is what the procedural text aims to accomplish. It is usually found in the title or first paragraph of the procedural text and is explained briefly. Number 2, materials. The second structure of the procedural text is the materials. In this section, you can list the tools, materials, or things that need to be prepared to make something. Usually, specific measurements, quantities, shapes, or colors are included to ensure optimal result. Number 3, step. There's the step structure, which is the steps or processes for making something, written in clear, logical, systematic, and concise sentences to avoid confusion for the reader. Number 4, reaffirmation or closing. The final structure of a procedural text is the reaffirmation. Here, you can build a conclusion or benefit if the reader succeeds in following the instruction in the procedural text.
Procedure texts have distinctive characteristics that distinguish them from other texts. Do you know the characteristics of procedure text? Smartphone. Here are the characteristics of procedural text that distinguish them from other texts. 1. Uses imperative sentences. Command. 2. Provided instruction for what must be done. 3. Uses active verbs. 4. Uses conjunction, connection, word to indicate sequence. 5. Provided rule regarding material or activity. 6. Uses adverb to specify time, place, and methods. 7. Provided numbering and sequential activity.
Types of procedural text. There are three types of procedural text: simple, protocol, and complex. 1. Simple procedural text. Simple procedural text contains steps or materials that are not too numerous because they are simple. Example of simple procedural text: how to turn on a laptop, how to use a flash drive. 2. Protocol procedural text. Procedural text contains steps that can be carried out flexible. This means that the purpose of the text is still achieved even if the reader does not follow the step in sequence. Example of protocol procedural text. When making instant noodles, you are free to boil the noodles first, of course, to pour the seasoning into the bowl first. 3. Complex procedural text. Complex procedural text usually require more tools, materials, and time than simple procedural text. In complex procedural text, we often find sub-steps before moving on to the next step. Example of complex procedural text. Prepare the spring roll past dough. Add flour, cornstarch, salt, pepper, 2 eggs, butter, and milk. Stir until well combined. Add water until a dough forms. Stir the first dough to remove any lumps. Then, using a ladle pour into a hot frying pan over low heat until half cooked. B. Prepare on set of spring roll paste. Then add sauce, salad egg, mayonnaise, and grated cheese. Then roll it into a spring roll shape.
How to wash your hands properly as recommended by the book. 1. Use clean running water. 2. Wet your hands with water. 3. Apply enough soap to your palms to cover all surface of your hands. 4. Rub your palms together. 6. Rub the backs of your hands and between your fingers. 6. Rub the backs of your fingers against your palms. 7. Clasp your thumbs and raise them in circular motion. 8. Rub your fingertips against your palms to expose your nail to soap. 9. Rinse with clean running water. 10. Dry your hands with a disposable towel or tissue.